How to change parental control settings in Play Store. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable parental control restrictions in just a few steps. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Settings and scroll down until you find the Family section. Tap on it to expand the available options. Now, tap Parental Controls. If parental controls are currently enabled, you'll see the toggle switched on. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Before the setting can be disabled, Google Play Store will ask you to enter the parental control PIN that was created when the feature was first enabled. Enter the correct PIN and tap OK to confirm. Once the PIN is verified, parental controls will be turned off immediately, and all Google Play Store content restrictions will be removed from your account. And that's all you need to do. That's how to turn off parental controls on Google Play Store quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Play Store tips, Android tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.